Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about backlinks. This is day 28 affiliate marketing beginner to expert 30 days challenge $1,000. So, I just wanted to tell you what is a backlink. Backlinks are one-way links or incoming links from one website to another website, and Google search engine considered as oats for a specific web page. In other words, backlinks, what we can say in a colloquial language, backlinks are considered as a oat. So this backlinks, what we have to do is backlinks will ensure your presence in the internet world, right? That is the most important. The backlinks, if you are adding more and more backlinks, the backlinks will ensure your presence in the internet world, and for it will make easier for Google search engine to rank. So how many backlinks you have, it considered as a vote for a specific web pages. So backlinks are one way links from one website to another, right? You just have to take a URL of your web page and place it in different websites or authoritative websites, so that it is considered as a votes by Google for a specific web page. So that is the most important thing. So backlinks, you are finding a keyword, you are driving a traffic, you are creating a website, you are finding a keyword, you are driving a traffic, and all the you are doing SEO, on page SEO, off page SEO, and you are doing a backlinks. And the ultimate thing, if the traffic is driving to your website, you must make the traffic, the conversion of the customers, to convert your traffic into customers. The way of converting the traffic into customers, any prospects, any customer who comes to your website will not buy your affiliate links or any other AdSense or anything what you are selling over there. He won't buy at the first visiting. So anybody will not buy anything or go to the affiliate links or purchase anything at the first time. So in order to make your traffic to a customers, the most important thing is email marketing. We will talk about email marketing in detail in the affiliate marketing mastery course. I have talked about email marketing in detail. Now we will just see about the backlinks. This is the backlinks. This is website A and this is website B, and site B, the website B belongs to you, and that site B has a backlink from site A. So site A has an external link to site B. So this is how it works, and the backlinks is made. The internet juice is transferred. That is, the data juice is transferred from your website's presence or web page presence is completely happening. Your website's page is completely presence is being ensured in the internet world, and this ensured is acts as a, for Google search engine, it acts as a oat. So that is backlinks. So backlinks is the most important thing. How many backlinks you are adding, it add as a vote for your website. So there are different ways to add a backlinks. I have made a different kind of ways. I have organic and paid methods are there in order to add backlinks. I have in detail I have said about the organic method and paid method in our affiliate marketing mastery course. Whoever wants to become a master in affiliate, this 30 videos is more than enough to earn $1,000. But whoever wants to become a master in affiliate marketing mastery, they can join the course and they can earn money like anything. It's a very good course, and I have made it in a very specific way that whoever joins the course in 20 to 30 days, they will just start earning the money like anything. And my students have started earning some money, and lots of money, not some money, it's a very big money they have started earning. So that is the way of making for joining in the affiliate marketing mastery course. And now coming to this, backlinks are considered as a oats in the Google search engine. To make your website presence in the internet world, the backlinks is most important thing. So thanks for watching this video, and bye bye, see you, bye.